Hi everyone, my new book Lanchin in Your Pocket Beginner's Guide to Building Gen AI Applications Using LLMs is out now on Amazon. The book is already a bestseller. As you can see, it is trending on hash 3 on Amazon bestsellers. So go grab your copies and find the link in the description below. Hi everyone. Today we will be talking about can LLMs play tic-tac-toe? So by tic-tac-toe, I mean that LLMs play different types of game. So I was assuming they should be able to play, and that is why, if you know, in my channel I have already covered a number of multi-agent orchestration use cases like interview panel and movie script writing, etc. So I thought of making a multi-agent orchestration for playing tic-tac-toe. Now, for my surprise, I was not able to do that, and there are certain limitations that I came to know that LMs can't play games like tic tac toe. Eventually, after reading, so this particular tutorial would be around why they can't play it. So, first of all, let me show you my exam experiment. I'm not running through the codes because it didn't complete the it didn't get me the expected results, but I will be showing you the logs of what actually happened. So what I was trying to do here is I was trying to build a game where the two agents, Zero and Cross, and they are playing tic-tac-toe against each other, and then there would be a jury that would be deciding who won the game. So if you look here, the first was a cross, second was zero, third was a cross. Now eventually the game ended here. And if you read results, yes, X has formed a horizontal line in the second row, which is two empties. Now I was also surprised, and this was just one of the examples. I ran this code for like 100, 200 times. I tried tweaking with the prompt, but I was getting the same responses. That the LLM was not able to recognize the winning condition in this case. In any case, this is one of the examples, and it was always coming with a bogus answer. On further deep diving, I came to know that here I was using Gemini Pro model by Google. When I was started reading about this, I came to know that even GPT-4 struggles with playing tic-tac-toe efficiently, despite excelling in so many great tasks. Why that happens? Because of the lack of spatial knowledge of LLMs. Here, if you notice this, it is not a one token generator after another. It's a spatial knowledge that you need to have. That what you call a cross, what you call when you will have a winning condition, when you will have a cross like this or a zero like this. That spatial knowledge of the game board, LLMs don't have. So, when I was reading about why GPT-4 fails on tic-tac-toe, it is not able to strategize and not able to make optimal moves. So, if you have read about reinforcement learning, in reinforcement learning we are able to train models to play games, as they have been trained to generate strategies. LLMs are not trained to generate strategies, and they often make suboptimal moves. So we try to understand that they might be able to play, but they might not be able to win. Number one. Number two, when you're involving spatial games, they might not be able to detect the entire game scenario as well. So here, as they mentioned in the blog also, the LLM struggles to recognize even winning conditions, which was the case here, as you saw here. For this particular case where there was not a single winner, it was able to say, "Ki, okay, X has won the game," which was not the case. So this was the same case that happened with me also, and LLM was not able to recognize it. I even tried ChatGPT for the same and got the same result. It was also not able to recognize the winning conditions. And as told, LLMs have limitations with spatial pattern recognition. They know the rules, how to play it, but they aren't trained to play and win. And that's the difference that I came to know. So this is why LLMs are not good with playing games, not good with playing tic-tac-toe, and are not and have limitations with spatial pattern recognition along with mathematics. So before this, I knew that LLMs are not good with mathematics, but with this, I knew that LLMs are not good with spatial pattern recognition as well. Thank you so much.